and lightning. This could possibly go good or horrible for Coco. And after this, we'll do a little couple matches with the standards, and then we'll come back to this. Right now, I've been casting for about 90 minutes. Well, 1 hour, 22 minutes, and 20 seconds right now. Still got some time left, but I'm probably gonna do 3 hours. Coco looking ready for a fight. Hopefully she can survive lightning dust. Or maybe she'll get beat by lightning dust. I don't know. I never know what's going to happen in these matches because they're clusterfucks half the time in my predictions. Except I think for the certainty, Chrysalis is probably going to fuck things up when it comes to mains next year. Who's going to stand against Chrysalis next year in the mains in March? Celestia is the only one who's handed her a loss. Cadence was close. Luna possibly could, but it's gonna vary. And I think Chrysalis's rank would be number 3 right now. I think it goes Luna, Celestia, Chrysalis, Cadence. Then I think Luna beat Maud, so Maud would be 5th. Chrysalis beats Spitfire, who'd be 6th. Celestia beat Trixie, who'd be 7th. But technically, Trixie is 6th because Spitfire got KO'd twice. It doesn't deserve the 6th spot. And Lyra was 8. In fact, Spitfire is probably number 8 if you're going by all this. Because Spitfire getting injured twice, getting KO'd twice in 2 back-to-back, freaking leagues. Yeah, you're not going to be top. You're not going to be that high. You're going to be 8. Also, please note that Trixie has faced Celestia twice in the first round, busted her open twice, and even though she lost, didn't get knocked the fuck out twice. Spitfire got knocked out the fucking tree hugger of all people. Into the ropes. Pro tip, don't make somebody bleed. Yeah, please don't. She gets very angry when she bleeds. But you know what? I gotta give it to Trixie. Because Trixie actually had a decent go at Celestia before the busted open before the bleeding happened twice, and she got kind of close the second time around. Way better strategy that she had, but obviously her matchup was kind of weird. She was in a weird matchup, which only happened because of some clusterfucks from everyone else. One. Let's not forget, Trixie kind of threw away number 1 seed. I mean, for a number 2 seed. I think she wanted to fight Celestia so bad. She wanted that number 2 seed to fight Celestia again. Didn't really work out, but there's a lot left. Anyway, she's safe in elites though, so that's good for her. She's good. This league is the redemption show of the main six, and Starlight Glimmer and Sunset Shimmer and all the other waifus that, you know, weren't good enough to make elites, to stay in elites. I honestly think Starlight might have an easier trip this year. Have you seen the group that was Twilight, Tavi, Bon Bon, and Adagio, right? Yeah. Taker's fine. Taker's fine with everything. He'll be fine. Taker's will be fine. He's been bumped into before by a lot of waifus. He gets right back up. Doesn't need any time like Spike. Fucking Twilight, Tavi, Adagio, and Bon Bon. And that's going to be a fun group. I think it's Adagio and Bon Bon. I should do a quick check and make sure though. Yep, Twilight, Tavi, Bon Bon, and Adagio. And, Pooh Boy! You know, everyone in this league, in this Babby's league, has an under 500 record. Besides the 7-3 Sunset, besides the 6-4 Rainbow Dash, and besides the 7-2 Tree Hugger. And Berry Punch has 2-2, I guess. That's 500. Barely. Group A is Pinkie Pie, who's 2-5. Fluttershy, who's 3-4. Starlight Glimmer is 1-5. And Sonata Dusk is 1-5. Group B is Twilight at 3-4. Octavia at 4 wins, 8 losses, and 1 draw. Bon Bon is, well, 1 non-deciding match. Didn't take a pinfall submission tiebreaker or whatever. Bon Bon is 0-3. Adagio is 1-2. And Group C is Sunset 7-3. Final is 3-4. Applejack is 1-5. Rarity is 1-5. Group D is Rainbow Dash is 6-4. Tree Hugger is at 7-2. Berry Punch is 2-2. And Derpy is 2-5. So let's see, who's the long shots? Well, Group D, if we're going by records, Derpy's got no fucking chance because he's 2-5. 2.9. Group A, everyone there has a bad win-loss record. So Fluttershy might actually do something, or Pinkie Pie might, or Glimmer could pull off a major upset and go on a fucking run. Or Sonata could do so too, I guess. Though Sonata's outside of league record is not good either. Group B, Twilight and Tavi look to be the big favorites, even though they have, you know, a lower than 500 winning percentage. Great, no, Lion Dust can't win. Rope break, don't get that close to the ropes. This league's gonna be fun. It's gonna be exceptionally fun, and I can't wait for it. 2. Nope. Worst records in this whole league, though. Bon Bon is 0-3. That's the worst. No wins. Sonata, Starlight, Rarity, Applejack are all 1-5. Adagio is 1-2. Derpy's 2-5. Pinkie Pie is also 2-5. Berry Punch is 2-2. There's not a lot of favorites. I guess Sunset and Flood and Tree Hugger are the 2 favorites. I can't wait for Tree Hugger to choke though. Oh god, dropped her on her fucking head. No, it's not over yet. Double Inzaguri dropkick, both miss. Dragon Soup? Nope. I thought I was going to see a Dragon Suplex, but apparently not. That's the best game ever. Just do the Dragon Suplex, for fuck's sake. Or Reg Suplex, whatever. Enziguri. Both waifus still fighting. 18 minutes have passed. We might go past 20 minutes in this match. Tree of Woe. No! Gets out of Tree of Woe instantly. Dragon Spear, though. Picked up. Nope. Off the top rope. 450! The 450 does it. Here, I'm going to post. Doing tournament of those not in yet. So let's see, what do we got?